You know, Yadamunina se Mama Kwaba Biuma, Yentia Dr. Bernardo Coboy, any other matters, nothing, sorry, and Kodok. Yes.
Honestly. More and this year, Obi. It was a mean can't deliberate plan, but a idea or mwashishe I won't say easy no sebio or mukasa no muni no more comments. Professor say bastardize say oh yeah na I yet said dear sebi commission no ye commission on him left and right. Na ama more integrity akọ from Babylon midanya kupon say yes some survey one of the respected institutions no. It came out and said confidence in the commission was very high. Now, Obi, they already where people will even go the extent of publishing list. Now, much was a gazetted and sebi and free the commission ho. But one show be kaya no the nuko jajuo. Enti the mekani say adipa etono ho. Now obi or two about Ghana hano sebi ohun sena niamakoye. Naziru say obi asoromo go to court. In Ghana for more can say NDC should go to court. They are not saying so because sebi. Omo respect you, omo right to demonstrate. Because omo can say because the only place route are far devoid of chaos, devoid of anarchy, and refreshingly so. If really what they want is a change in the results, and what the capacity to give you what you want, Obi, the court has some features about three things. First, the courts, first of all, a processor and the voice. Sana ube kasa ube resume voice and say ube winning. Our processor a cleaner, a devoid of what chaos. Sebi and this is a demonstration. Ebi a undri boni. Nanso wakotia police nanso. Nusu chemo atia nanso na kwa gidi. Court baby science wo. Number 2 Obi court nusu yetimi sua de free mu. Court and make a commission say ha we sign here next time say na yourself and now court let me be say electoral commission identity na we say na wa cheche mu e bia na say rubi say on feel because we need to me so we can learn from the and then the third one I hear the most important if I'm pa say oh yeah we nyina because person yan say una we win na nyana na kufado the courts have the power to nullify and undo a declaration from the chairperson of the electoral commission. They have the power. They are the only platform in this country that can tell the commission that you said A, but in our opinion, A is null and void. Nti obi me pacho, enti no obi ase court. Obi o ka se court no, ope Ghana ye, ope Naziru ye, ope Mahama ye, ope Nana ye. Obi. Obi ka say yes, no problem.
Obi ope Ghana ye. Me alaje na won pe me ye. Me on pe me
ope osu ye.
Nti ope me ye. On me be san say. I didn't want to me so much.
Mami Mbaho, Obi, politics.
Yes.
Sebi ufa chemi. Conflictual game. And lawyers make us say jurisprudence. And now going to court, adversarial. Only sorry. Yeah, can be assumed. Me versus what you. The nature of politics itself. By elections are. Crawford or more contended to pick one prize. Enti se bakuba no si ye de aseme dimio that nipa no potentially might be suffering for what we refer to as intrinsic bias. Obi you see intrinsic bias you see unko di asem between wa oye mu ba eni obi ba because e ba no Obi whether you like it or not consciously or unconsciously you have what we refer to as intrinsic bias. Just say position a wo free mu di ba no bibi wo betime account ama e bi asem kra wo ka no you have been overwhelmed by sao bias na ma unwe bia no corridor Obi so who a politician our call election now who keke mu a better man say genuine it's also possible say you are being affected by intrinsic bias because you set out from day one having an interest and an objective and your objective is right opposite to nipa na o si odi asema
FM
entina peace council omutimi tie mo asem but sebi na why cautious aka say me nyanka places before a judge. Didn't know Okasa Obi. Or Okasa because or the Akuma Pakra ko ye na echi Okajo se Naziru. Wa se me nyeda. Wa jo Okajo se okra
FM.
Obi. So the point I'm making is say if you see obian kana asem na de meti ye kra ebo mi pusa correct you ananyesa. Ema ebo mi pusa ni say. Obi ka je mi say doctor. The entire person ye recall it sia ni say ya nya results is sia na December and January 7 do na yesu na yin na mo fa speaker Dr. Femo or china kra say case no win here na speaker no mo dey call am say hey enti calculation complex where equation in 3 variables na equation okite enti say obe use to me and determine the limits of jurisprudence. Say obe try say and then you try ayen court na anayen starting quality now try for results. If you get into that trick, Obi say I see that on my way. I the seat be ama NDC.
Yeah.
Ama yako jina court sa da judge ni ka say Obi da judge ni ka say seat na MPP dey na akonwa no form e wo nyina ayi. O tire mkwa nye yi. So the point I'm making is that because Sebi intensi ba obetimi anya me ka say na si o tire mka no obetimi anya returning officer bi o lejokuku a e bia Obi all quality 1 year crown on like I say okobo ya so enti na ya put in place measures I sure say process na nyo no pe na oye or there is at a place with agents or every step I hear no before cry back to the place where he has to stand and declare no all is what policed obi patch what I say ye we mu so that e be din say obi be ka say obi e wini sebio obi an wini by okobo patch what I say but even in the worst case scenario yen fa do kra say dem ka no say wo any ayota say obi akọ shekọ na wa declare obi yakupon do mi da yakupon si if the courts have told us stay away and these are the things I was saying share NDC phone crime for them to consider say Ghana you see the voice of the people is the voice of God. If Obi Akacha say consider the courts, Asafo say consider the courts, Omo contest in this election say consider the courts, Sheikhs are say consider the courts, they don't hate you. They know that what you want, which is to be declared a winner, is possible only on one platform, not even in the mosque. Obi. So point at me and he say, Obi, if you are back out of a catcher, say even presidential dispute, so be the back Supreme Court. Is it how many days?
42.
Obi, when you good news. If the whole country, it will take 42 days. What makes you think that in one constituency it's going to take 355 days or 1 year? Obi, if Supreme Court, and those who sat in that committee, I think they have some special way within the judicial steps, planning them away. If or more in their calculation, say Ghana, you know, say because if you take any case to court for the national, Obi, all pink sheets, a lot of things must come over. But if one constituency, Obi, it can be determined. Once again, no, and yes, say Obi and I said on Pomuye. Now, Akasani say the court is not the only platform. Oh, it is true, but unfortunately, only one of the routes can change the results of the election. I am not what I say. If really what NDC say, Omu per se results no should change. Obi, the America Wahani say in Ghana there are 1,000 ways to show that you are not happy. Share some George ni so in the use very classical. Now yes, help us to resist the president. No more do say want the police. Some George look at these guys. No more resume for and help us thinking that say decibels no you very different now. Maybe it can change the results at the commission. Obi. And we have one route. Oh, we use here. Me and my senior brother. No. And I won't blame you. Obi, me share. Me see, say some judge now arrest and help us not to resist the police. Hey, they don't we. What do we say about police lady? Obi, but the point that on Asempa FM. Me and my seniors, senior Muntaka. Now I hear roadblock be. Now the skill be or you soon show that the fan 15 far through the cordon. Make sure now able to say so no you soon the advantage or you soon had to far corner be no so fame on break Obi. You can use all these skills. The question is that would it change the results? No, Obi. So for me, Dr. Koboy, I am saying that there is only one route, and that's the route that pastors, imams, sheikhs, and everybody is asking for. Look, only God knows tomorrow, Obi. Only God knows tomorrow. Who knows if God in his own wisdom see on my way an NDC presidential candidate, no man can change it in the next 4 years. Now, what if you let the food and now you let the whole parcel drop and break into pieces and then it gets to 4 years and God says come and fix and I take the country? How do you handle that which you've broken? We have only one Ghana. Now, look, the reason why the majority of Ghanaians are calm, they say President Kufuor won not with a razor margin. It was not by the breadth of hair say na kano or by the and yes slim even if odi obimu vote mama president as well if parliament na mu fi say eye closer Techiman South now shede Naziru kai so obu collect what TV cinema I spoke about intrinsic bias say Mark Menu ya chairman say some of the pictures am use you in his opinion and in his judgment some were faked. This is what happens when collection is happening at Adabraka and Asylum Down. And the danger is that there are people who are not complicated in their mind. I'll show collection pay or the kwako so become obi. Me pacho and yes say o catch obi we nim say koye boni and koye gidigidi na say why inciting o. If manipano evidence be now evidence in a shake here, it can be the foundation for ruining this country. And my last thing I make me pacho, if the Electoral Commission should act at the discretion and preference of political parties, they can fall into the realm of manipulation. Obi, every electoral commission that dares get into the business of acting according to the preference or dictates of a political party, they can fall into the abyss of manipulation. That is why it's dangerous for Jean Mensa to say that these are my figures, but because you've asked me to recollect at your word, I am going to recollect. Do you know the number of instructions that will come from the NDC and MPP? You get into a pattern, it's of no return. It's a pacho. Ye the OGD Sebi MPP ya lose election in 2012 after emotional outburst, which is normal with the human nature. No, our leader President Kufuor met our people and told them, "I know you love me, but please, there is a better path. We want JM to do the same thing. He should prove he can get more people to." He can win more hearts by going this route. Lejokuku, I won by not defeating me with a huge margin like GMO. Maybe GM ran 47, I got 48.9% of the votes. National votes, GM ran about 47.3. Even with 48.9, close to 49%, I told my people, I know the love you have for me. I know those who will kill because of Okoboy. I'm coming. But the national one too is you have to. Okay, I get you by 50+1. But Obi, my point is that when I lost by a razor margin, those I know people who shed blood because of me. Obi, when you're a leader, you know those who will kill for you. Every leader knows. There are levels of love and attachment. Those people, I told them in the face, don't move, just be calm, and they were calm up to date. Some are still in denial. Many parents friends said, "Doctor, we didn't lose." I said, "Be calm." So, me pacho, President John Dramani Mahama, Okoboy is not saying come and consider. Okoboy is saying that speak to your people that there are paths that are devoid of tension, chaos, and anarchy, and the path is that you go to the courts. And all of us will not condemn you. All of us to support you to make your case. If you make a case, so be it. If your case is not solid, we build our country.
Dr. Bernardo Kobo in your training, Kano. Alaji Naziru, yes, sorry, any other business name?
Well, to round it up, Beso Intermontemaramu, Bepesa Mekache Okubo, yes, FM. Ebia, I'm causing your panel. Well, to me, in your portrait, Wajiatum, because the evidence adduced to him, you know, convinces him, say, Senya, Oko election winning, you know, election we were called Eluzu. It is not about Okoboy. Okoboy is about you. And about Lojikuku. No, is it about NDC and answer MPP? Niamepesa me catch say the sanctity of our elections are for so many years, even during most difficult times. Na UBF say Adiano entumi nkosuye no. Ekosuye ma yenina yehu. We saw Rollins after the many years of military regime handing over power to Kufuor. It's answer Kufuor yakoto abama Kufuor wini abatu no. And yen topane de man. We saw it when Kufuor was handing over to Mills. And yen topa. We saw it when John Dramani Mahama was handing over to Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And yen topa they didn't hand it over. So if we are raising concerns about these things, you know, Okoboy, it is not about you. May committee also the sanctity of the very democracy. If you say no, and a year my it's answer anka ebi anye democracy. Obi oti gongompa, obi oti garim kuka, obi oti tofe praso, obi ana oti yeveze wamaso ne ne keka ho. Development bi anka en kudu ne nchen. But democracy ntina ama ene ye kan o kabi. O say ye omotimi ko si kwan kra ka kira o say wan be ye kwan no. About to bread so a member have you. they have a say in the governance. Anything I catch and say, Kabima men Kabi Amamuno, a yes saying Amamubia, and a yin I atumu. It is obi any yo, and Namun Tuono, a quitia, Saka Bima min Kabi Amamuno. Nay, yes, yen yasadi, and yet NDC qua, and a aqua election, APC Bibiatu Chima Yakasa, a yin yasadi, say ye best or a waka, yes, I say you won't come hada. And Penny Focasai. In 2012, MPP forecast said, "Woman, yes, say in will come and make a statement." Penny Foy, woman, Kasai, tea. Woman, the woman who become identity John Mahama, Nedian and Quadia, Obiankebi. And Yawa, Ghana for Yawa.
And then Ogas Obiankebi, what do you mean?
Obiankebi. I've not heard anybody.
You've not read a statement from the Ghana Pentecostal Council? Where the flag bearer himself commended them for the statement they issued.
It said the
NDC is exercising their constitutional right by protesting.
Correct.
But they would urge them, say, while they protest, they should consider other means, including going to court.
Flag bearer, Menkan Pentecost for the year. I have not read it. Now, so one because I also say what Pentecost they are. Maybe say you were a kubi. They even fought in the Genesis. Before you been in democratic governance your friend Catholic Bishops Conference and I
yeah, Catholic Bishops Conference.
Correct. But they come to state clearly their opinion and then the way forward to see the peace of this country. Menti womonka. Matie mpenifo bi kura mutumi emre bi etwe mu ebisa Ghana for national radio nyansa fwe mu wo he
all
those people
now say omoba what would they say na be satisfied when they say the
I'm not saying to satisfy me they think that
when they say
me out
okay.
Think about the sanctity of our democracy Obi take me out take Okoboy out take yourself out democracy you know I am a quine until 1992-93, now Sempa FM money airwave license to sit and do this program. Yeah. I remember very well. Now a democracy in the mind when you buy that democracy is being threatened by the action of some selfish individuals.
And to cure that mischief, that threat to our democracy, which body can cure it for us?
Collective interest. Now. The issue, no, say the body in the center, one more creative problems run akwa electoral commission. Into obi biara o kama yetie wo man mu ha no. Anka yen sore waka. Obi electoral commission nyina ye ne say eye djuma wo mu eye aban djuma. Yes. Aban djuma nyina won hyehyeye wo mra a wo mu ede ye wo djuma. Aban djuma ben no betimi asore waka. Say, one of the this time to this time will be uncoofy. Oh, yeah, be ambai. Be ambai. Also, on no holidays. Abang you abang.
Ekusi say on Asempa FM
in the heat. And so cyber ever catch and say, why is it that this only electoral commission assembly or Becano and also signed the card up of rubber and some for what I say?
Asempa FM.
What is that? Obi, you see, me, I will not waste my time and Kasabibri, but the only thing I make can say, yeah, ku ye ni muno. Me de, yam party penny for, I will make NDC pay you for. So what if ye? No be, catch raw, and among your musay, and among ye dead near maker on pay we. Because the woman may a name, a woofy. Now obi pewia on the country wa bonting. Say kopamu wa mi ofie so onya nyan kra wo fie na se wo net ono wo hwe wo e ma bedu mpepesu a wedu no wo nipa badwen babie ni wo be ka che wo abonte se kopamu ma mi wo fie sai so ya nyan nobody would do that enti em party mpanyifo no juma wo mudi obi I can tell you on authority the pressure ebimu efemu the struggle that they are continuing to struggle to ensure, and nobody, that is the beauty of it, dog. Nobody, none of them is doing it for the sake of the fact to say, yeah, party better power. Because we are extra confident, say, one day we will come to power. I know we are very confident about it. But what I'm saying is this, say, the sanctity of our democracy, the effort of me say, I am telling you, people, Not what one on Fabefi, make body extra. Yeah, that is opposition. Correct, and it is also a justification of the fact to say, and Brane wa by Musanko, ya no more catcher, mo say, Moon sorry, and Jamu executive, so they be or more catcher, executives, and other NDC before this cano. Omuna ne, Womutia, Esa catcher, because ye can then almost say in the Omunis can opposition. Omu yaska sanka omu asevibi but now omu da so bi. That same people are now telling you. That same people are now telling you today says nkrofo no omu ka kire mo say omu wie sika na ne ye nyina ye hu say omu wie sika no. At least that is a living evidence. Thank you Dr. Okoboy. Thank you. Omu ka kire mo biom say ne mun attack mu no mu national executive. Na mu ko sia national executive bia. Na onya adaje no the same ebe to ho na mo body mo a wabo a ni post ma mo no mo be sisa sa nyoma no akobro sa nipa no sa nipa no and NDC is committed to the peace of this country. NDC is committed ya kan asimu biom say the reason I was say ye bibi biara ye be as a political party to ensure that the 1992 constitution will continue to be the guiding principle, the fulcrum around which all our democratic activities will continue to evolve. Then as a political party, I was say, sa Obano or wo sa constitution on one a wo as a political party. You through my back. We share the same umbilical cord. So we will not do anything that will disturb the peace of this country. But we will do everything also within the remit of the law to ensure say Ghana ebe fan to my paifra and democracy will continue to thrive. I know ya said it.
Mamenase. That's the spokesperson for the Zongo Caucus of the NDC. In fact, on your spokesperson, communications officer for the Zongo Caucus.
Studio there old Nkwan of Asudi.
Yeah.
Because I usha mi fifi na mi tie na endorse to say na zero.
Tie ma revi.
Oh nyamu tie na zero.
Me bo tie ma revi.
Ana na e ja tie ti o sweaty.
And now we are minister. We are tie ma revi.
Assembly dia. E ma sweaty.
Which part of the assembly heading? Assembly so ya. Sweaty.
I think in finality the mechanic say because politics is adversarial in terms of the contest. Even if you have a very perfect case, there is some level of bias which you must admit. That exactly, we all have our biases. That's why everyone who loves you tells you, as much as possible, let's put it before a neutral arbiter.
But you are also forgetting that it is as a result of curing that bias. Independent Electoral Commission. So if the Independent Electoral Commissioner is showing clearly for you that something is fundamentally wrong, you continue to talk about
the courts. Are they not independent? Don't you trust them? Don't you trust the courts?
And Americans, haven't you gone to court on this 2020 election? We have, as a political party, we have trust in the court. We have gone, but we will go to where we want to go based on our strategy.
We took that one to court and lost. You have issue with Techima.
But who said we are taking your case that you took to court
No, that's not the one.
And besides, that is one thing. Means to say, more journalists, more come. And before court, their issue was very clear. Sir, among four banon young class about one and some more winning.
I feel our kind.
Young people pass our banon what why you say, yes, respect. Mamun Kogu about one year 2 years. No problem. On the basis of the fact that wolf is a problem about. And that is not what we are talking about here now. What we are talking about here now is the fact that Yakotu Aba, Ama Yatu Aba 100, Amajo Mahama. Yama Nanado 50. Electoral Commission, the 150 Ama Nanado, and the 80 Amajo Mahama. Those are the issues we are talking about.
Is there anybody in this country who can tell Electoral Commissioner this that you are doing is wrong? I instruct you to change it.
If you are a party, that why don't we have are we not interested party? Then
no, can you tell the commissioner? Can you force Electoral Commission to do something you want? There is one body in this country that can force.
And I'm missing all the reforms we have. Most of the reforms we have today is as a result of the initiative of the MPP in this our democratic credentials. Electoral Commission. Did they give it to Electoral Commission?
Psychological. Nasiru himself for another 4 years of opposition and that form enti Martinez the AC nyina no psychological na see uni no kwere na so ebra e be so no kaka akra nyankopa do e be boa no ama na see another 4 years of opposition no e ka una
on Asempa FM
of diversity of justice.
Yeah.
One day say
okay, so let's say
diversity of justice say 1 minute cry it will make you sweat. It will make you sweat. That is what I'm talking about.
Nyabotre, right? Bibi abe fine. Right.
Oh, me nua enti enya din sa mesonu mu.
Oh, that go boy. Now cry dem bi o ye bi o be dey apple.
That's not be minister.
And I'm no ye minister ma wo.
Obey me.
Ma wo.